Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. This is part 2 of our drawing room decor series. In this part, I am going to show you some beautiful crochet wall decor, small decorative items, and lightning ideas that can completely change the look of your drawing room. Let's start with the crochet wall decor. Crochet wall hanging are a perfect way to add warmth and handmade beauty to your space. You can use crochet mandala wall art, floral crochet frames, or simple round wall hangings. These designs gives a soft, elegant, and cozy feeling to your drawing room walls. Next we have decorative small items, small things always make a big difference. Crochet coasters, table mats, mini baskets, and crochet trays are not only beautiful but also very useful. You can place them on center tables, side tables, or shelves to add a neat or stylish look. Crocheted flowers, pot and plants covers are also a great idea. They bring freshness and color to your drawing room and make the space feel more alive and welcoming. Handmade crochet items always give a personal and classy touch to home decor. Now let's talk about lighting because lighting is very important for decoration. Soft lighting can completely change the mood of your drawing room. You can use warm lights, fairy lights, or decorative lamps to create a calm and cozy atmosphere. Crochet lamp shades are also trending these days. They look unique, stylish, and give a soft glow that makes the room feel relaxing. You can place table lamps near sofas or floor lamps in corners for a modern and elegant look. Wall lights combined with crochet wall decor like look absolutely beautiful. This combination makes your drawing room look well designed and thoughtfully decorated. Small decor items like candle holders, decorative trays, mirrors, and photo frames also play an important role. When you mix these items with crochet decor, your drawing room looks balanced, warm, and stylish. All these decor ideas are perfect if you love handmade, modern, and cozy home styling. You do not need expensive items, just smart decoration and creativity. If you enjoyed drawing room decor part 2, don't forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching me.
Hey.